How to keep American Airlines miles from expiring. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to prevent American Airline AAdvantage mile from expiring, you need to have qualifying activities at least once every 24 months. So you want to go ahead and simply fly with American or partner airlines. Any flight activity with their earning or redeeming miles will set the expiration clock. You can also use AAdvantage credit cards. Primary card holders of AAdvantage credit cards are exempt from 24-month expiration rule as long as the card account remains open. Also, you can use online shopping portals. Earning miles through American online shopping portals or other eligible shopping, traveling, or dining partners also count as qualifying activity. Or you can transfer points from hotel or any other credit card programs. Transferring point to your AAdvantage account can also reset the expiration date. Also, purchasing even a small number of miles is considered account activity and will extend the expiration date. And the next way is considering donating the miles. Donating miles can also extend the expiration date. So these are the way you can try to keep American Airlines miles from expiring. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.